The price of Ripple's XRP can soon hit $60,000 if its upward trend continues. This prediction has been made by experts in the field of Bitcoin. Not fascinating, is it not? But how on earth is this ever possible? Something out of the ordinary happened. The deciding factor is the Ripple v. SEC judgment. Fewer yet understand how terrible this catastrophe is. After steadily increasing in value for 5 years, XRP Ripplecoin is now prepared to take the next step. We need to take a close look at it. Ready to be amazed? This video has got you covered. Right now, we'll get to work. Message of importance. A lot of people are anticipating the SEC to end its actions against Ripple soon, and XRP has been in the middle of all the legal turmoil recently. The appointment of James Murphy, also known as Meta Lawman, signals a significant change in the SEC stance on cryptocurrency regulation, which has restored faith in the cryptocurrency sector. Its recent inception is attributable to the shifting stance of the SEC in its litigation against Coinbase. The idea of an interlocutory appeal, which would enable a higher court to examine major legal problems before the trial ended, was initially strongly opposed by SEC Chair Gary Gensler. But Coinbase's application has been approved by the SEC. This might cause Ripple to rethink its approach to litigation, which might impact the business right away. A significant question was recently posed by Fabio Zuccardi. When will XRP be decided by a court? His remark lends credence to the theory that the SEC may be hesitant to set a precedent on digital assets. Assuming the Second Circuit Court of Appeals sustains Coinbase's appeal, Murphy is correct in saying that the SEC needs to clarify its position on whether secondary market cryptocurrencies are considered securities. In order to prevent an all-encompassing rule from endangering its comprehensive enforcement strategy, it might not come to fruition if the SEC does not swiftly seek a different option. A major development highlighted by the XRP captain increased the likelihood that this would happen. In a covert move, the SEC removed any mention of the Ripple lawsuit from its website. Murphy argues that this does not mean the agency wants to end the case. In fact, Ripple has until April 16 to file an appeal brief, so the matter is still formally open. Jerry Hogan and other legal experts have speculated that April or May could be the SEC's preferred resolution dates, particularly when it comes to changing the way an organization is structured. The Gensler administration's actions should be dismissed, according to Coy Garrison, a former SEC attorney, because digital assets do not qualify as securities. His comments carry weight because they suggest that some in the regulatory community see the SEC's lawsuits against Ripple and other cryptocurrency projects as ill-advised. It was Jack the Rippler who lent credence to this argument by stressing Garrison's claim. The SEC's aggressive agenda under Gensler's leadership is the focus of an increasing number of people. There is evidence from the SEC's recent actions that it may be trying to change its strategy in order to avoid a definitive loss in court. Best Invest has previously decided that XRP wasn't money during that time. The world's markets are making a full recovery after suffering some losses. Following the resolution of the SEC vs. Ripple dispute, many people expect XRP's adoption to skyrocket. Part of Ripple's triumph came in July 2023 when Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that selling XRP on secondary markets is not the same as buying and selling securities. Because of this landmark decision, XRP is now in a stronger legal position than most other cryptocurrency assets. As interest in the SEC's case dwindles, XRP's market performance and adoption could undergo revolutionary changes. According to Murphy, the SEC is now operating without a designated chairwoman. Important decisions in the realm of law are still within reach. Mark Ueda and Hester Pierce, two commissioners known for their support of Bitcoin, have the authority to vote on dismissals or settlements. The parties may soon reach a settlement or political pressure against Gensler's enforcement-focused agenda may intensify, both of which could lead to the withdrawal of this case. It comes down to steadfast commitment for the XRP community. Increased institutional usage was promoted by the divestment of all XRP assets, a return to trading on American markets, and a boost to investor optimism. The cryptocurrency sector is closely watching Ripple because of its clear upward path, even though there are no guarantees. XRP holders are undeniably getting ready for what may be the last stage of this drawn-out legal battle. Ripple is poised for a potential chance soon. As the SEC begins to loosen its grip on cryptocurrency laws, it appears like XRP is just starting out. A number of experts have offered noteworthy forecasts about Ripple's future ambitions. The events that are about to unfold will definitely shock you. While wild predictions have always been common in the cryptocurrency market, speculation on XRP's future has increased significantly. Think about the confident tweet from Amonix. Something bad is going to happen soon. For many in the XRP community, this is far from a passing remark, a widely believed adage. Worries over XRP's future are no longer justified. Now that the legal dispute has been settled, the project can move forward, which could lead to significant price increases, according to some experts. Forecasts on XRP's potential have ranged from cautiously optimistic to incredibly astounding, sparking a great deal of speculation. The potential of XRP is boundless, according to Levi. This claim may sound ridiculous at first, but it becomes more plausible when you look at XRP's background and how it has significantly impacted the world's financial system. Someone turns out the lights. Time and technical progress are two of the most important variables to consider when thinking about the possibility of an unstoppable XRP. Potentially driving up the price of XRP include developments in new cryptocurrency uses, such as international payments and remittances, as well as increased interest from institutional investors and technical improvements. We should expect even more absurd predictions very soon. In response to XRP's $1,000 spike, Steph tweeted, "Things of value, virtual money, and the unpredictable. The $2.50 to $2,500 price gain that Powell predicted is reasonable for anyone who sees XRP more as a game-changing component of the cryptocurrency space than a speculative asset. Ideas put out by some people have an impact that is timeless. This is related to the revolutionary change that XRP has the ability to initiate the XRP dragon, and other experts predict that XRP's price could rise to $10,000 in the future. Even though these predictions are extremely optimistic, that the ascent might take longer than expected was the meaning of their warnings." Crypto-charged co-O Matthew Brennan sparked a lot of interest when he boldly predicted that XRP's value might rise to $100 to $1,000 in the next 10 years. Because of the bullish prediction for XRP, half of Brennan's personal wealth is invested in it. The XRP he has accumulated during the years is the basis of his strategy, considering the next 5 to 10 years instead than only the near future. In the end, he says, "I see the huge potential of XRP's cheap and fast international money transfers. The discussion is better structured in comparison to Ethereum and Bitcoin, in contrast to Bitcoin's multi